Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I'm back with another quick video just to share with you a quick little project that I've made. These are just cute little note cards that I made using a die that I had just arrived in my mail a few days ago. So I quickly wanted to make something and share with you what you could also make if you have a similar die to this, or if you also have this die. If not, I'll put the link down below for you. And yeah, it's really easy. This is a die set that I had purchased. You get these 4 sets. So you get the oval shape that cuts out nice and smooth around the edge, and then the other one is a sort of more like a scalloped edge to the edge of your shape. And with the project that I'm going to show you, I used this larger size here. And then I also used the Jen Hatfield Patio Party paper pad, her 6x6 paper pad. This is a fun paper to work with. It's bright, it's playful, it's colourful, just a fun paper to work with. So this is what I made. These are the cute little note cards that I've made, and then I just embellished it as well with the same paper from her paper pad. And then this one here is using a clear stamp, word stamp, with a coordinating die, which is this one here. And I purchased this one from Aliexpress. So you may have seen this a few times on other videos on YouTube. So you get these word sentiments, and then you also get a clear stamp frame that goes around the word sentiment. You also can purchase the coordinating die to go with it as well. So I'll put the link down below as well for this if you would like to purchase this. So this is what I made. You just open it up, and then you can just write a message in here or a little note. And I just thought this just makes a cute little note card to add to any project. And I also added this sort of like a gold trim. I'll just see if I've got that here to show you. So these ones here, they come in little spools. I purchased these from my variety store. So they did come, they had a heap of them. So I just used these just to add to the project, just to give it a bit more sparkle. So that's the other one. And this is another one here. As you can see, the paper pad is really fun to work with. And this is another one with the same, another word stamp. And then I also made some envelopes for it, so that it can pop into the envelope. I've got one in here, so it just fits nicely in there. And to make these envelopes, I use the We Are Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board. And the size envelope that I made for these little note cards were the 2.5 by 3.5 inch card size. And then you just follow the measurements on the board to create the envelope. So these note cards just fit nicely in there like that. So I made the envelopes as well. I did show you in another video how you could make these into little note cards, or if you have any dies and you want to do a fold like this, all you do is, I'll just show you again. You just grab your paper, you just fold that in half, and then whatever die you're going to use that you want to have a fold, so this is the die that I used, you place your die down onto your paper, and what you want to do is on that fold line of the paper, you just slide one side of it just off the fold line, as you can see. And that part there, when you run it through, that part there indicates that that is the part that you do not want cut, or this will get cut, but not that part there. So then you run that through, and then you will create this, and that part there is a part that did not get cut, so you get that little fold part to be able to use it as a card. And yeah, so that's just another quick little project I want to share with you on what you can do with your dies. You can make cute little note cards with different shapes, and I'll put all the links down below for you on where you can purchase these dies. And I do hope you enjoy this quick little short video of my project, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.